Welcome. In this session, we are going to proceed to application development over Node.js server. In order to develop an application, we are going to use an integrated development environment known as Brackets. Brackets is an open source web development platform. To download Bracket, we can proceed to Google Chrome and you can simply type in Brackets plus download. You can proceed to this website brackets.io. On this website, you're going to get links to download Brackets. You can simply click on download Brackets and the latest version 1.9 will be downloaded on your machine. As soon as you click, the download link will proceed and you'll get that download. In my computer, I already have that Brackets setup available for the version 1.9 and this is the Microsoft installer file. I'm going to install Brackets. So Brackets is simple, next install. You can simply double click on it. You can run Brackets. Brackets will ask you the directory in which you want to create it. Since I already have Brackets installed, it's displaying me that we already have Brackets installed and you can uninstall if you want. So I'm going to cancel that. Finally, once Bracket has been installed on your machine, you're going to get a UI somewhat like this. And this is the Brackets symbol. This is a shortcut to Brackets. You can keep that on your desktop as well. And now once you click on Brackets, you're going to get a very smart UI available for web development. Now I'm going to introduce you with Bracket. At the very top we have a menu bar using which we can access our files. We can go to live preview. This is one of the best features of Brackets, that you're going to get a live preview of whatever you are developing. Then in the edit parameters, we have parameters to cut, copy, paste, undo, duplicate files, move codes above. In case if you want to increase or decrease font size, you can use Ctrl++ and Ctrl-— to reduce it. Then you can find and replace in Brackets. If you want to find or search something, you want to replace something, you can do that. Then you can split the views, you can keep the views in landscape format, you can put that in horizontal format, multiple views you can view. You can navigate to individual files. Then finally you can debug your applications here, and once you are done, applications will be displayed and a live preview will be given back to you. Now what next we have to do? As soon as we get started with Brackets, we get a getting started directory here. In this getting started directory, you can see that we have got an index file, and this index file has been pre-developed and provided by the Brackets IDE. On the right hand side, you can see that there is a shortcut to live preview as well. You can click on this live preview. It will try to connect the live preview and now it will display the page. So now what we have is, let's say if I reduce the size a little bit. Now let's say we have the UI somewhat like this available, and I'm going to split that. Let's say this is the vertical split, you can see that, and this is the horizontal split. So as soon as you click something, let's say if I want to update this particular section, as soon as I'm going to click this section, that will be selected. And let's say if I would like to modify this section, so I will say hello sir, something like this. So that will be on the real time, it will be updated on the UI. So you need not save it and run your application again and again and then browse to a browser. A live preview for this UI is available. So now on the real time, you can update your application, and whatever changes you do to your web application, they are quickly displayed on the live preview. Now what next we have to do? If you select any of the paragraphs or any of the titles, they will be automatically selected and you will identify which section you have clicked and which section you would like to update. So this is the benefit of Brackets. Brackets is a open source web development, integrated development environment which helps you give a live preview to whatever development you are doing. Now using this Brackets, what we want to do, we have to get started with development of an HTML application, and we are going to put that application on our Node project. Then we are going to run our project and we are going to test it. So in order to proceed, We'll perform that in the next session.